Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with a very quick hair tutorial. This hair, actually, I need to wash my hair, so I wanted to at least film a video, and this is something that I do when I'm getting ready to, have to wash my hair and do my hair all over again. And if I have to do something or go out, or my husband wants to do anything, if you're in a hurry, if you need to get your hair done or at least look decent before going somewhere or going to work anywhere. So if you're interested in getting this very easy and quick hairstyle, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, my love, so right here I'm trying to show you guys how to make your half up, half down. Just use your thumbs. You don't have to worry about your line looking completely perfect. Okay, so next you want to go right ahead and grab your brush. Make sure you brush your hair out. There's no knots at all. And also, you guys, the reason why I didn't show myself putting my hair up in a ponytail is because I wanted to make this video very simple and short for you guys. Okay, so next you want to grab a piece about this big right here, and then grab your curling iron and make sure you curl it going towards the back, away from your face. Okay, so now for your next piece, you want to make sure that you curl it the opposite way. So now this is why I'm putting it towards my face now. I'm curling it towards my face, and the reason why I feel like it helps, it kind of makes them look like, like they're separate. They're not completely stuck together. They don't all look exactly the same. So this is why you see me alternating. See right here, I was trying to see which way I went last. It might take a few tries. If you do 2 or 3 of them facing the same way, don't worry about it. It's still gonna look good. This is just like an extra step to, help your curls to separate themselves and look good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few more, taking my time. And then for the rest of my curls, I'm gonna be speeding up the video. It's gonna be going very fast, but right here I just decided to keep it nice and slow for you guys, just in case. If you want to skip over this part, then you can go ahead and start skipping over. Okay, so as my video is going fast, I want to remind you guys to leave me any comments, any questions. If you still feel a little bit confused about this hair tutorial, if there was a better way for me to explain it, or something that I just didn't cover in my video and you're still confused about, do not be afraid to comment down below and leave me a question. I want to feel like I'm helping you guys out, so just let me know, okay? I love you guys. Okay, so now we're ready to do the bottom part. I'm gonna be showing you guys slowly, and then I'm gonna speed up the video. So again, you're doing the same thing. You're gonna be curling it away from your face, and then when you get to the next piece, you're gonna do it the opposite way. Okay, so now we're ready to put on some hairspray. Right here I'm using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine hairspray. Okay, so our next step is gonna be separating our curls. If you like the way that it came out, you don't have to do this step. But yeah, this is just a step that I like to do. I just like to separate my curls, shake my hair. so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you like my video, go ahead and hit it a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below. Show me some love. I wanted to thank you guys as always. I'm truly appreciative of all of you and very thankful that you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is exactly like my YouTube name, AngieMoon0701. If you want to follow me like on a daily basis, there I usually post pictures, I post videos, and I keep you guys up to date when I'm gonna be uploading a video here on my channel. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can stay updated. Now, if you do not have an Instagram account, then go ahead and hit the bell button, and that will give you a notification each and every time that I upload a video. So once again, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.